If your GE portable air conditioner is turning on and off unexpectedly, you're dealing with a common but frustrating problem. Understanding the root causes will help you fix it quickly. There are three main reasons why this happens. First, sensor issues where temperature sensors malfunction and send incorrect signals. Second, overload protection systems that automatically shut down the unit to prevent damage. Third, auto mode conflicts where automatic settings create cycling problems. Before diving into complex diagnostics, start with these basic checks. Ensure your power supply is stable and not causing voltage fluctuations. Check that the air filter is clean and verify that ventilation paths are not blocked. A dirty air filter is one of the most common causes of cycling problems. When the filter is clogged, it restricts airflow, causing the unit to overheat. The safety system then kicks in and shuts down the compressor to prevent damage. If basic checks don't solve the problem, try resetting the unit. This simple procedure can clear temporary glitches in the control system. Unplug the unit completely, wait a full minute to allow capacitors to discharge, then plug it back in and test. If your air conditioner continues to cycle on and off after trying these basic troubleshooting steps, the problem likely involves specific components like sensors, overload protection systems, or auto mode settings that require more detailed diagnosis. Several sensors in your GE portable air conditioner can cause cycling issues. The most common culprit is the thermistor, which regulates temperature control. A faulty thermistor provides incorrect temperature readings, causing the unit to turn on and off erratically. You can test it using a multimeter to check continuity and resistance values. Now let's examine overload protection, which is designed to prevent compressor damage from overheating or electrical issues. Overload protection automatically shuts down the compressor when it detects dangerous conditions. Error code E8 specifically indicates an overload malfunction. Common causes of overload protection activation include dirty coils, clogged air filters, and faulty thermostats. These issues restrict airflow and cause overheating. Auto mode is designed to automatically adjust temperature and fan speed, but malfunctions in this mode can cause unwanted cycling behavior. In auto mode, the air conditioner continuously monitors room temperature and adjusts its operation accordingly. When this system malfunctions, it can create erratic on-off cycling. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, check your unit's error code display or contact a qualified technician, especially for compressor or refrigerant problems. Error codes provide valuable diagnostic information. Code E8 indicates overload issues, while other codes may point to specific sensor failures or system malfunctions. Remember to check error codes displayed on your unit's control panel, as they provide specific diagnostic information that can help identify the exact problem causing the cycling behavior.